Now turn to page 42, and we'll learn how to graph an inequality in one variable. So we're going to graph x is greater than or equal to 4. So the first thing we do is make this into an equation. And since the inequality is greater than or equal to, we're going to use a solid line. So I'm going to graph x equals 4. Remember, that is a vux. So it's a vertical line through where x equals 4, and I made it a solid line. Now, I'm going to test, they're saying test 0, 3. I'm going to test 0, 0, because I like 0, 0. So is x greater than 0? No, it's not. So that means we shade this side, which is rather intuitive, but you can still pick a test point. So you only substitute the x because the inequality does not have the variable y. So x is greater than or equal to 4, and you shade the half plane that does not contain 0, 3, because 0, 3 is not a solution. Okay, so now I'd like everybody to do checkpoint 1 and 2 on your own. Stop the video. When everybody's done, turn it on again to see if you're correct. So for number 1, this is not in slope-intercept form. So I am going to rewrite it and solve it so it's in slope-intercept form. Actually, I should do that. And then divide everything by 2. And then my borderline will be this. So I go up to 4, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. And I'm going to make a dashed line. And I'm going to shade this side because this is where the y values are greater on the y axis. But then I'm going to test 0, 0 to make sure I'm right. Is 0 greater than 4? It is not. So the point 0, 0 should not be shaded in, and it's not. Now for this one, I'm going to graph y equals 2, and I'm going to make it dashed. And that's a HOI, so it's a horizontal line. And I'm going to test the point 0, 0. So is 0 less than 2? Yes, it is. So I shade below the line.